Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm back again after literally being gone for like a year or probably a little bit more than that. I am super excited to be back, and let's just reset the button and start fresh. So today's video is super exciting for me. I'm gonna do something completely different than my usual tutorials. I'm doing a collab with Iris Beauty. They were nice enough to contact me and to do a review on the color contacts. If you guys want to see how these color contacts look on me, then keep on watching. I am extremely excited about this because I have been wanting for the longest time to use color contacts. Now, let me tell you something about myself and my vision. I have astigmatism and myopia. If I'm not using glasses, which is probably at home, during the day for work, I do use contacts. Iris Beauty, thank you so much for this opportunity. They were nice enough to send me one pair and I was able to choose the color. You can order them with or without prescription. I ordered mine with prescription, which is even better. They're extremely affordable, and speaking of affordable, I know you want to save some money. They were nice enough to give me a coupon for 15% off on your next purchase. Okay, all you have to use is Mariela 45. Again, I will leave the link and also my code down below so you guys can check out the description box. So let me tell you a little bit about this company. They are based in New York City. It's a family-owned business. Another thing that really caught my eye that was extremely important to me is that these contact lenses are FDA approved. These are my eyes. My eyes are precious. Your eyes are precious. You want to make sure that whatever you put in your eyes, it has to be safe. These contacts can last up to 6 months. They have 3 different collections: Essential, Intense, and Passion. Now the one that I got is from the Passion collection, and here's the package right here. I received this package over a week ago. I've been so tempted to actually just use it, but I was like, let me just do the video because I want you to genuinely see my reaction and my review on these contacts. So I just opened it, that's it. So let's see what it says here. They gave me a nice little card. I also love their message. At Iris Beauty, we believe every woman deserves to have versatility in her everyday makeup routine that makes her feel good about herself, no matter her eye color or budget. I was like, yes, speak to me right now. I love makeup, as you guys can see, but mainly what I enjoy the most is to do eyeshadow. I just feel like eyes are so important because they are the window to your soul. Why not play with color contacts and enhancing and be versatile with your looks? This is what the packaging looks like. The color that I got is caramel gray, and yes, I did get mine with prescription. So let's open this up. So here you can see the contacts. It did come with the case as well, which is awesome. Let's just do this, you know, because I'm excited. I want to see how this is gonna look. I need to get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Oh my god! Okay, let's do the other one because I just need to see both of them. Okay, I'm just gonna blink a little bit. Now my first reaction is, I mean, the color is beautiful. It looks so natural. I'm beyond obsessed. The one thing that I'm noticing on this side, this one is like I feel like I have nothing on here. I feel like something is like kind of scratching me. Like on the edge of the contact, it has like a little scratch. But I feel like that's what's doing that friction with my actual eye, that I feel like something is like kind of like scratching me right now. On a level 1 through 10, I would say the discomfort level would be 7. You know, maybe I got a bad pair. I have no idea. I just wanted to be honest with you guys. That doesn't mean that all of them are like that. The color range is amazing. I want to try other shades as well. Other than that, teeny little minor thing, I feel like I really love the color. I feel like I became a lion. I am La Leona, Lana. And I can see, which is the most important thing as well. Because you don't want to be wearing color contacts and then you're like, yeah, no. What do you guys think? Am I smizing at you? Hey. I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed. I am Lana. I'm seriously, like, I haven't even watched the movie, but I feel like I just became my alter ego Lana. We have a theme where I work. For this weekend, it's gonna be The Lion King. I mean, I'm already doing a Lion King look here, but I am still gonna wear this tomorrow. I may have to take some pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Iris Beauty, for collabing with me and giving me this opportunity to try my first color contact. Don't forget to use the code Mariela45 so you can save 15% on your purchase. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know, what do you think about these color contacts? Is it a yay or is it a nay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.